Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy T. Give you an update on the perfect C5 Corvette that I just purchased. The other day, I was actually going to get something to eat, and lo and behold, my passenger side window rolled down and didn't roll back up. So it would go, and that was all it would do. And a quick Google search led me to the fact that this is a common thing these cars experience, and that good old Amazon hooked me up with it was like 2-day shipping or whatever. So I just got the package today. Just got off work not too long ago. Yeah, I'm attempting to install it. So anyway, I'll get back with y'all. I'm pretty sure there's plenty of tutorials on how to do this, so I'm not gonna bore you guys, but it seems to be pretty simple. It actually got stuck in the down position, so I had to take the door panel off just to get it up because it was calling for rain the next day. But no big deal. We're gonna take care of it right quick, and then we're gonna get back to you with more updates. All right, guys, it took some figuring out, but I finally got it. I think this is the moment of truth. I'm about to, I took the controls off of the door panel, and I got everything buttoned up, and I'm about to see if it actually works. So if I'm gonna break my window, y'all wish me luck. All right, here we go. As you can see, everything functions normally, and I got this window regulator thingy off of Amazon. Shout out to Amazon, getting it to me in a couple of days so I can go ahead and enjoy my window up and down. Yeah, but like I said, I'm gearing to wash this puppy because, and credit to Joe. Joe was a cool guy, and one of the things that I really appreciated about him was and a lot of people like, well, whatever, but I mean, he left it dirty because he didn't want to seem like, he was trying to hide anything. Or, 'cause sometimes when people trying to sell a car, they'll, wash it up real good, and, it'll still be wet when you get there because they're trying to hide stuff or whatever. But, Joe was real transparent about everything. If he didn't know something, he said he didn't know, you know what I mean? So, yeah, I mean, it was one of the coolest transactions, which, I mean, I love dealing with car people, with gearheads, because, and I know there's some knuckleheads out there, whatever, but most car people are freaking cool. You know what I mean? And that's what I love about being a part of, this particular community, with, whether it be Corvettes or hot rods. I had a 3rd gen Camaro at one point in time. And like I said, just dealing with those guys are real cheap. And I'm real cheap, so I fit right in with them. But yeah, but anyway, like I said, it's just cool dealing with like I said, you got some people that are, shady or whatever, but for the most part, almost everybody I've dealt with that was a, car nut or gearhead, they were pretty cool. So like I said, this is not gonna wrap this up, so to speak, but I bought a brand new foam cannon from Harbor Freight, I think, because I was actually gonna watch the food trailer, but we've been so freaking busy, I hadn't even had time to do that. But since the sun is going down and I still got some daylight, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my car for the first time. And I'm gonna use my pressure washer and my foam cannon. So y'all wish me luck on that too, because I've never done that before. Yeah, all right, I'm out. Hey, what's up, guys? This is the second modification. I don't know if I would call it a modification, but just like the window, is actually more like a repair than anything else. For reasons that I get into in another video, the car's been sitting for about 2 weeks. This video is actually, well, this part of the video is actually way after the window video, but I didn't just want to do just a window video. I really wanted to install the trunk struts to see if that would fix my problem. In case you don't know, on these C5 Vets, when you pop the trunk, it's supposed to lift it up a little bit so that you can get your fingers under there and pull it up the rest of the way. And for some reason, I'm thinking that the struts are probably bad. Somebody said you can spray silicone on the rods or whatever to get it to, pop up like it's supposed to. But what I did was I went to Rock Auto and I ordered some struts, so I'm gonna change those out also to see if that'll actually fix the problem. But in the meantime, if you're having that issue, what I learned was is that if both doors are closed, both windows up, if you shut one of the doors after you pop it, it'll actually, I guess the inrush of air pressure will actually pop up the trunk so you can get your fingers up under it. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. Car's been sitting for 2 weeks, and of course, crappy battery dies. And when I mean dead, it's dead, like 5 volts dead. It ain't even good enough to be a 6-volt battery. Well, yeah, but what happened was when I came out here to actually change the struts for the trunk, I went to go unlock the door and pop the trunk, and there was nothing. I mean, when I say the battery was dead, it was like beyond repair. I've actually got a battery charger from Harbor Freight that will actually recondition batteries, and I mean, I probably need to get like a sponsorship from Harbor Freight and Rock Auto, but I mean this when I say it. That thing has brought 2 batteries back from the dead. I mean, like, I'm talking about they were dead. We thought they were gone. We called boys and men in to sing a song, flowers, everything, but it actually brought them back to life. But it would not bring this Optima back. It was just completely gone. So I ended up having to go to Sam's, went to several places, and they either didn't have an AGM in stock or it was way overpriced, in my opinion, 250 bucks plus. So, and then the ones that I saw didn't even have the specs that I wanted. So I ended up, instead of getting the battery that goes in here, the battery that goes in here is a Group 86. The 2000, well, the earlier models actually used a 78 battery. But the only problem was the 78 batteries were side posts. So, of course, somebody got smart and they did a 78 battery, 78 series or Group 78 battery, but they put dual posts on it. So I'm gonna see it's the same size, it looks the same. So I'm gonna swap them out and see if it works. If it doesn't, I'll just take it back to Sam's, but I'm pretty confident it's gonna work. And like I said, I'm gonna spare y'all the gory details because there's many videos I'm sure about changing batteries out, but I'm gonna swap this thing and we're gonna see if it's gonna work, and I'll be right back, all right? All right, this is just to give you an idea of the different sizes of the batteries. This one is a replacement battery. It's not the Group 86 that actually comes stock in it. But once I take this battery back, I try to get like a shot of these next to side by side so you can actually see the differences or whatever. But like I said, as far as, the width was the only thing I'm really concerned about. To make sure that it actually would clamp down and be stable inside the car or whatever. But yeah, with this being tight inside there and something potential accident or something like that, you don't want your battery flying around if you can help it. But like I said, I'm pretty confident it's gonna work. Y'all wish me luck. As you can see, the battery fits beautifully. Guess I better take that out of the shot. As you can see, the battery, as you can see, the battery fits beautifully. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I got the mounted back, so it's actually secure. It's not going anywhere. Yeah, so I mean, if you got a C5 Vet and you having trouble finding an AGM battery, and the reason why I got this over the lead acid is 2 things. In my research, I found out that there's a lot of electronics and computers up under the battery, and you don't want to take the chance of a lead acid battery actually leaking onto that stuff. And plus, the lead acid battery didn't have these specs. I got 750 cold cranking amps. That 120 is the reserve capacity, and I forgot what the third spec was, but yeah. But anyway, it had all the specs that I wanted, and it was actually $199 at Sam's with a $20 core. And y'all ignore that garbage truck. He was supposed to be here at 6 o'clock in the morning. I'll wait till he leaves. This is actually a battery, I'm pretty sure, for the previous year's C5 Vets. In 2004, they changed the top post, so that's why we ended up with, you know, this situation. We got 20-year-old car problems, but hey, we solved it pretty easily. I'm glad they had one in stock so I could actually see it, and then they had a Group 86 lead acid so I can compare the two. So like I said, they're pretty much the same battery. They look a little different, but just be confident that it'll actually work. It fits. Everything's good to go. So I'm gonna take this other battery back, and like I said, once I get there, I'll pull out my phone and just give you guys a side-by-side comparison of the two, so you'll see what I'm talking about. All right, I just wanted to show you guys what I'm talking about as far as the trunk part. When I open it with the key, it only comes up, well, that's actually more than what it normally comes up. Normally it just, you can tell it's popped, and then you have to try to get your fingers over here on the corners or whatever to get it up. And like I said, if you're having this problem, the temporary fix is to do this. And as you can see, the rush of air actually pops it up where it's supposed to be, where you can actually lift it up. Now, what I'm thinking is, like I said, I've heard people saying that they have put silicone on the rods or whatnot, but yeah, some people say they put silicone on the rods or whatnot, but I'm hoping that just replacing these is actually gonna fix the problem. I'm not sure, but we're gonna try it out. Like I said, I ended up getting these from Rock Auto, and they were, if I remember correctly, they were like $3 or $4 a piece. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure shipping, which I ordered a whole bunch of stuff, so I guess shipping was negligible or whatever, but at any rate, that's where we're at now. I'm gonna replace these. It shouldn't be that hard. I believe you have to maybe take these little clips off right here, and it should come off and then pop off from the bottom, and just pop the new ones back on. But here we go. And just to show you, these are probably the same ones that you get if you went down to any of the big box stores or whatever. I'm not sure the brand or whatever, but it's got to be better than what's in there. I'm pretty sure those are 20 freaking years old, so even if they didn't get a lot of use, they probably just wore out from age. Put the keys in my pocket. Does he come with instructions? Let's read the instructions for once. Attention, caution, do not puncture. I'm not going to puncture it. Turn off ignition, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, pretty much, yeah, same, yeah. Done this before. All right. My camera actually overheated on me, so I had to pull out the GoPro to finish this video up. I'm gonna finish it up, edit it, shoot it up right quick. Anyway, just a tip when you changing these out. Like I said, I'm pretty sure there's other videos or whatever, but since you're watching this, I'm going to give you a tip. This part, I would take the clip off first because it's a lot easier to do it before you take this clip off for some reason. But anyway, there isn't a whole lot of room here to get this off. So like I said, it's much easier to try to get this clip off first. Oh, that's what it was. Yeah, once you get this clip off, there isn't a whole lot of room to maneuver. So you take this clip off first, but you're probably not gonna be able to get this out until you take this one off. And then once you get this one off, you can kind of maneuver and take it off. But like I said, I would start with this one and then do this one, because the other side I actually did the opposite, and it was just a little harder to take this clip off once I had gotten this one off. But not impossible, just something that thought you guys should know. But anyway, we're gonna check this out and see if it actually works, or if I'm gonna still have to spray some silicone or whatever. I know it does actually hold up a lot better. The screen went dark. Yeah, I mean, it's actually holding it up a lot better. I mean, before I would hold it up and I'm just kind of like, okay, whoa, horsey, whoa, is it gonna stay up there? I'm not sure. Hey, what's going on? Anyway, we're gonna try to pop this thing open with the key fob and see if it actually pops now. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. So yeah, now you guys know that, yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sure the silicone or whatever the guy sprayed on his worked or whatever, but the actual fix for this is to change these things out. And like I said, if you go to Rock Auto, they only cost you a few bucks. I'm not sure what they are, the other part stores. Let's see if I can get the part number here. I done threw the packaging away, so no luck with that. But I mean, 4066. But it was actually the cheapest ones they had, so we'll see how long they last. Like I said, for $3 or $4 each, I don't think you can go wrong. But anyway, that concludes this video. And uh-oh, yeah, I got something stuck in there. Oh no, I just got to push it down there. Okay, yeah. Okay, all right, yeah, we good. But anyway, that concludes this video. Appreciate you watching. I got more content coming. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, because wifey said I cannot do any modifications to this car unless I get to, I think she said 1,000 subscribers. And I'm about, at this point, I'm right at a little less than 700 away. With that being said, I've already got some parts I ordered, and don't y'all tell my wife, because she does not watch my videos. So y'all don't go back and tell my wife I done already ordered the part. So I'm anticipating that you guys are gonna subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna meet that goal, that threshold, before she realizes that I've already ordered parts. So make sure y'all do that for me. Appreciate you watching. I'm out.